Hey there, folks! Get ready for the most epic diet makeover you've ever seen. In this mind-blowing video, I'm going to reveal the ultimate secrets to going healthy without going hungry. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this life-changing information. Did you know that an astonishing 71% of adults worldwide struggle with their weight? That's over 2.2 billion people. It's clear that our relationship with food is a serious issue that needs to be addressed. But fear not, because today, I'm going to share some jaw-dropping facts and tips that will revolutionize the way you think about food and transform your eating habits. First things first, let's talk numbers. The average person consumes a mind-boggling 3,500 calories per day, which is way more than the recommended intake for a healthy lifestyle. No wonder we're battling obesity left and right. But here's the kicker. Did you know that you can cut your calorie intake in half without feeling deprived or starving? That's right, my friends. I'm going to show you how to make some simple tweaks to your diet that will have a massive impact on your health and waistline. We're talking about delicious, nutrient-packed foods that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. No more crash diets or bland meals that leave you longing for more. But wait, there's more. I've enlisted the help of top nutritionists and chefs to create mouth-watering recipes that will make you forget you're on a diet. We're talking about scrumptious salads, flavor-packed stir-fries, and even guilt-free desserts that will make your taste buds dance with joy. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride of foodie goodness. This video is going to be a game changer, my friends. Get ready to say goodbye to those extra pounds and hello to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for the next 300 words, where I'll reveal the mind-blowing secrets that will transform your life forever. Let's do this. Now that we're fully immersed in this epic diet makeover, let's dive deeper into the secrets that will revolutionize your approach to healthy eating. Prepare to have your mind blown. One of the most powerful tools in your healthy eating arsenal is portion control. Did you know that the average plate size has increased by a staggering 36% over the past few decades? No wonder we're consuming more calories than ever before. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to reveal a mind-blowing hack that will help you conquer portion distortion. By simply downsizing your dinnerware, you can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Swap those oversized plates for smaller ones, and you'll instantly reduce your calorie intake without feeling deprived. It's a simple yet effective strategy that has helped countless individuals shed pounds effortlessly. But wait, there's another secret weapon you need to know about: the power of protein. Did you know that protein-rich foods can actually boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer? It's true. Incorporating lean sources of protein, such as chicken, fish, beans, and tofu, into your meals can help you curb those pesky cravings and stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Speaking of cravings, we all know how challenging it can be to resist those late-night snack attacks. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the ultimate solution for you. Drum roll, please. Healthy snacks. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of reaching for a bag of greasy chips or a sugary treat, stock up on nutritious options like fresh fruit, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. These snacks will not only satisfy your cravings, but also provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that chewing your food thoroughly can actually help you consume fewer calories? When you take the time to chew each bite properly, it allows your brain to register that you're full, preventing you from overeating. So slow down, savor each mouthful, and let your body's natural hunger cues guide you. There you have it, folks. We've just scratched the surface of this epic diet makeover, but already you've learned some incredible strategies to go healthy without going hungry. In the next 300 words, we'll explore even more fascinating facts and tips that will transform your eating habits and reshape your body. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned for the jaw-dropping conclusion of this game-changing video. Let's continue our journey to a healthier, happier you.